my grandpa's vents, and this is the thing that I'm gonna use to put it in this hole right here. See it?
And how old are you?
I'm 7.
Good job.
Right now, I'm gonna drill this, so the thing is gonna go around, so it's gonna like take all the dust out. So, wanna do it right now?
Yep, go. All right, stop.
Now this is the other side of the vent. Now I'm gonna pull it out and then
Vacuum.
vacuum it, and then see how it turns out. Now we're sucking all this to the vacuum.
Get all the...
And then get all the dust out, so we could take this metal thing out, so it could take all the dust out.
Slow. Okay. Good job. Slow. Okay, stop. Go slow. All right.
So this is all the results when we vacuum all of it. Yeah, that's pretty much in this. All this to make a huge, gigantic file on your house, and also make sure to clean your vents every single year.
Thank you.